Hello, Level 8 students. In this lesson, we're going to talk about making a pitch. This is part of the One World Education program to develop your writing, research, and speaking skills. What is a pitch? A pitch is a short speech, and the purpose of a pitch is to make someone want to buy, do, or accept something. So a pitch is a kind of speech where you want to change someone's mind, convince them, persuade them, change their behavior. So in what situations in real life do we make pitches? A couple of examples could be from work. Your boss is very busy and you want to change your boss's mind about something, but you only have a couple minutes to talk to your boss. You have to state your argument and give your reasons in a short amount of time. This could be an example of a pitch. Another example could be with a customer or a potential client. You want them to purchase a product or service, and you only have a short amount of time to give them your reasons why they should buy that. So we use the skill of making pitches in different areas of our life. And that's one of the reasons we're going to practice this skill with One World. But you'll be making a pitch about your One World topic. So we're going to do pitch practice a few times over the next month. But this first time is just going to be a 30-second pitch. And it's only going to be on these two questions. What is your topic and why is it important? So on page 43 of your One World Journal, you'll see pitch number 1, 30 seconds, and it has space for you to write down your ideas about your topic. So the question is, what is your issue? That's another word for topic. Hook your listener. We're going to talk about hook in just a moment. And then the second question is, why is it important? Emphasize the urgency and significance of this issue. If you don't have your journal, you can write down these questions on a different piece of paper. If you do have your journal, you can use this space to prepare your pitch. So let's talk about hooking the listener. These are some pictures of hooks. So a hook can be a physical thing, a tool used to catch, hold, or pull something. We also use it as a verb that means to attract someone's attention. So when we make a pitch, you want to attract your listener's attention. So some ways of attracting their attention, you could ask a provocative question about your topic, or you could give an interesting statistic or detail about your topic. And that will engage your listener, attract their attention, and they will be more open to listening to your argument. So we're going to use the website Flipgrid to record our pitches. And step 1 of this lesson was to sign into Flipgrid using your Carlos Rosario email. So if you did not do that, please click on the link in step 1 and sign into Flipgrid with your Carlos Rosario email. If you've already done that, you can now go to step 3 in Schoology. So step 3 is a link to Flipgrid. And I'm going to click over here so that it opens in a new tab. I log in with Google. I've got to select my Carlos Rosario Google account. Now what you'll see here is a page to record our first One World pitch. And if you scroll down, you can check my response. So I recorded one example. You can listen to my example pitch. When you're ready to record your own, after you've written in your One World journal and prepared yourself, you can click on this big green button here. And my internet browser gave me a pop-up question. It says Flipgrid.com wants to use your microphone, use your camera, and I'm going to click allow. So now I have the opportunity to record my lesson, or sorry, record my pitch. So I'm going to click here when I'm ready to record. So I'm just going to show you as an example. Test, 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 test. Now up here you can see the time that it's recording, and down here you can see this very important button, redo. So if I'm not happy, if I made a mistake, I just click on redo, and it's going to ask me, do you want to delete this clip? And I'm going to confirm, yes, I would like to delete this clip. I didn't like what I said. Now it's going to ask if I want to try again, but to start recording, I have to click this icon right here. Test, test. Now imagine that I'm happy with that recording. I'm now going to click next. And it's sent me here. It's asking if I want to take a selfie with my video. Sure. And then next. And now it wants me to give a title. So it's showing my name already because I'm signed in. And title can be One World Pitch, one, and submit video. Complete. So here you can see that I've posted that video. I'm probably going to delete it because it just said test test. But if you want to see my actual example, that's here. If you have any questions about Flipgrid or it's difficult for you to use, please send me a remind message and we'll find another way for you to record your pitch. Good luck.